Alright everyone, in the previous video we created a werewolf and got him to walk around. In this video I want to make him do a little scratch on the wizard, a little attack. So we're going to start off by grabbing an event. So when I receive new message, wizard is touching werewolf. And what this is going to do is, remember that the wizard already constructs these messages out of whoever is the current enemy. So he puts together a message that says wizard is touching plus current enemy. So he'll have sent this message. So when he gets this message, we're going to set a variable that tells Scratch that an attack is in progress. So make a variable for this sprite only, and we're going to call it attacking. Going to end with a question mark, which tells us that this is a boolean, as they call it, a yes or no, a true or false. So attacking, and right here we're going to say set attacking to yes. So when the werewolf receives this message that says the wizard is touching him, he's going to go into an attack mode, and we're just going to record that he's in that mode by setting the variable to yes. Now, when you set up the werewolf, we want this same variable to be no. So he starts off as no, but when he receives a message saying he's touching the werewolf, then he sets it to yes. And then we're going to handle the actual damage within the move cycle, which is, remember, the thing that just keeps cycling and cycling and cycling until the werewolf is no longer the current enemy. So we're going to grab an if then else, and we're going to say, look, if he's not attacking, then he should just take a step. He should just carry on walking. So if attacking equals no, then just walk around. But if he's just got the message that says that he's touching the werewolf and he's just set attacking to yes, well, that means it's time for an attack. So we're going to create a block that's going to take care of the attack. We're going to call it Scratch cycle. Nothing to do with this being the Scratch program, but everything to do with the fact that the werewolf scratches the wizard with his claws. And so in Scratch cycle, what he's going to do is he's going to point towards the wizard. Remember, he's touching him or thereabouts. He's going to switch his costume to the first of the attack costumes. So switch costume to, and you see the first of the attacks is down here somewhere. Attack 1. And then he's going to repeat through the rest of the attack costumes. So control, repeat, and next costume. How many repeats? Well, how many costumes are there? If he's in number 1, he needs to go through them all. Well, there's 2, 3, and 4. So that's 3 hops. 1, 2, 3. So repeat 3 times, next costume. Now, as always, we don't want this to go by so fast that the brain doesn't even see it. So let's put a little wait in to make sure that you have time to see it. And then one other thing I want to do is I want to use this to take care of the actual damage that occurs to the wizard. So grab an if then. This is going to say at precisely the right moment he's going to take some damage. What's precisely the right moment? Well, when the costume is just right. What do you mean? Well, I'll show you. So if we go to costumes and you go down to attack. So this one looks like he's attacking. This one looks like he's just finished swooping down with his claws, so he's just finished the scratch. This one looks like he's getting ready for the next one, and this one is back in the position to do it again. But this is the one, attack 2, where he's just scratched. So right there, if equals, so if costume, what did we say? It was attack 2, so let's do it by name. So if attack 2, if costume name is attack 2, then broadcast take damage. So that's going to tell the wizard to take some damage. And I think I'm going to put a sound effect in here as well. So if we go to sounds, let's add a sound. Okay, take rip. Just slowed it down by 1. So we're going to just put that in there as well, so he makes a little sound when he tears at the wizard. And then after this whole thing's over, we just want to reset him back into his walk. So switch costume to walk 1. And then don't forget to set the attacking to no. That tells Scratch that the attack is over, and now it clears it to receive another signal to start another attack over again. Now, let's not forget, we didn't quite finish this. So if attacking is no, then take a step. But if attacking is not no, then it must be yes. Well, that's the time when you enter the Scratch cycle. Okay, let's try it.
Yum yum.
Okay, I think I like that. And we'll leave it there, and I'll see you in the next video.